Your car's engine is the single most expensive part of your vehicle. Blow your engine, and you could be looking at a repair bill higher than your car's actual value. But here's the truth. Most engines don't die because of bad luck. They die because of neglect. The good news? There's one simple routine you can do just once a month that will keep your engine running strong for decades. And before we get into it, I have a quick personal request. Making these videos takes hours of research, editing, and voice work. Every subscription helps me continue paying my college fees while sharing car tips that save you money. So if you'd like to support Gear Specs and protect your own car, please hit that subscribe button. It really makes a difference. Alright, let's get into the engine-saving secrets. Alright, so, once a month, just take a couple of minutes to pull out your dipstick and check your engine oil. You know, low or dirty oil is honestly the #1 killer of engines. This super simple step can actually prevent catastrophic engine failure, so don't skip it. Engines don't just die from lack of oil, they can also die from overheating, so be sure to check your coolant reservoir about once a month. Topping up like $10 worth of coolant can actually save you from a $4,000 engine rebuild. It's a small thing that makes a huge difference. Engines often whisper before they scream, you know? A light tick, a new rattle, or even a faint knock can all be early warnings. So, just spend 1 minute each month listening carefully while your car is idling. It might help you catch problems before they get serious. A small drip today can become a major repair tomorrow. So once a month, check where you park for oil, coolant, or transmission fluid spots. Engines need air as much as fuel. A clogged air filter chokes performance and shortens engine life. A monthly check keeps it fresh and your engine breathing. Corroded terminals put extra strain on your engine during startup. A quick wipe with baking soda and water once a month ensures smooth ignition. So here's something important. These rubber parts silently age. A cracked belt or leaking hose can instantly overheat and kill an engine. Monthly inspections honestly prevent breakdowns. If you smell burning oil or see blue smoke, don't ignore it. These are signs your engine is begging for help. Catching them early really makes repairs affordable. Running low often stirs up sediment that clogs injectors and damages your fuel pump, putting unnecessary stress on your engine. Modern cars don't need long warm-ups, but, giving your engine about 60 seconds to circulate oil each month before a highway run can actually add years of life. Use an inexpensive OBD2 scanner once a month. A $25 tool can reveal hidden issues long before they become a $2,500 disaster. Leaves, dirt, and grime can trap heat. A quick monthly wipe keeps your engine cooler and helps you avoid premature wear. Engines last longer when owners are consistent, so make sure to write down your oil checks, filter changes, and inspections. Future you will thank you. See, none of these steps take more than a few minutes. But doing them once a month is the difference between driving your car for 15 years, or watching your engine die before it even hits 100,000 miles. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every subscription supports me, while I keep bringing you practical, money-saving car advice every week. And, if you thought these tips were valuable, wait until you see our video on 10 car repair secrets mechanics don't want you to know. That one will save you thousands.